Hello, my name is swissbianco. This time I would like to show you some of the new color 2011 Soldier Swiss Army knife. This was a special run, a test run that we did. Only a handful was made, a couple more than that you see here on this video. What we did is basically test out some different colors, like the wine red ones, different shades of the silver to gold color on the aluminum, copperish colors, the scales are the standard victorinox scales, like this silver ones with the Victorinox logo and the engraving plate. The Swiss Army original issued knife scales are no longer made, not by Wenger and not by Victorinox, with the Swiss Army with the Swiss Cross logo. So in 2011 there is an upgrade on the Soldier Swiss Army knife to the new style, like this. So what we did is make different colors, and we did assemble them in the Soldier style. The tools you all know, especially is also engraving on the blade. 1961 to 2011 anniversary alox Soldier SAC Swiss Army knife, and on some of them we did use fileworked main blades. The filework was made by Tom Stratton, and the blades feature the year stamp, like this one, the 2008, the last year of the Soldier Swiss Army knife being made for to be issued by the Swiss military. So I did collect those blades a long time ago, especially for this run, to celebrate the new start of the alox Soldier Swiss Army knife in 2011, basically with the first run in different colors and a small run in silver color, which will be in a different video be shown. One piece only was made in splash. This is relatively special because it was assembled with a fileworked 07 blade. That means the year stamp is 2007. That was the only one like that. The others did all feature the 2008 year stamp. This run is already sold out. Congratulations to those who get those limited runs in their collections.